Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be announcing the winner for my giveaway that I had posted in my previous video. I want to also thank everybody that entered and participated in my giveaway competition. But before I go ahead and announce the winner, I'll just quickly show you guys the prize pack that you will receive, and then we'll find out who the winner is. So in the prize pack, you will receive one of my loaded pockets full of fun crafting goodies in here for you to use in your projects. I will put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look and see what I put in here as well. And also there is a quick little simple tutorial on how you can make this a fun little pocket using one 6x6 paper as well. So you will receive this loaded pocket full of goodies. You'll also get a clear stamp by Kaiser Craft, some flower embellishments. You'll also receive another pack of paper flowers that you could use in your projects, some clear stickers, and you'll also get this gorgeous 6x6 paper pad. This is such a fun paper pad to use in your projects, such lovely pretty papers. I did purchase a few of these, and I wanted to gift one of these to one of my subscribers if they win this giveaway competition. So it's a really pretty 6x6 paper pad. Yeah, so these are the prizes you will receive if you win, and I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker to randomly pick me out a winner. And to enter the draw, you had to leave a comment below that video, and I asked just for you guys to leave a comment saying I have entered the giveaway, and I received 332 entries. So thank you everybody again that entered. Thank you for those that have subscribed and enjoy liking and watching my videos and tutorials. So I'm going to go down here now to the left hand side. I'm going to click the start button and it will randomly pick me out a winner. So I'll click that. Good luck everybody, and we'll find out who the winner of my giveaway is, and it's Mary D1971. Congratulations, Mary. I do hope you enjoy the prizes that I have put together for you. She has said, so happy to have found your channel. Your projects are so pretty and I've learned a lot from you. Thank you for sharing. I've entered your giveaway. Again, Mary D1971, congratulations. I will leave my email down below for you, so you can contact me and send me your details. If you are also a follower of mine on Instagram, you can also direct message me there as well if you wanted to leave your details, and then I will have your prize package sent over to you. Again, thank you everybody that participated. I'll hopefully see you in my next videos for more tutorials and project shares. Bye for now.